too hard, and I'm going too high, and to the side, I gotta hit right where here. Where that point is. That's where he wants me to hit him. Okay. Yeah, give people what they want. Take two. And he knows what I want. Yeah! You want to do it again? Yes. Keep going. Yeah! Get back, yeah! You feel good. Again? One more time. Step right there. Come on. You want the good one, right? Yeah! This is my partner for the XFC. I'll do it funny if you hit it again. This is my partner for the XFC. Oh.